guys, andito po tayo sa Barangay Esperanza, Alfonso, Cavite, just around 10 minutes from Tagaytay. Meron tayo ditong housing lot with corner lot. So yung housing lot is 147 square meter, may katabi siya na corner lot, 150 square meter. So a package po is for only 4 million pesos. Tapos papabakuran po yung corner lot, then gagawin parking for the house. If house lang ang kukunin is 3 million po siya, naka-promo ng 2.5 million. So RFO na po siya, full finish. So ito po yung environment. It's a very cold weather and it's 12 noon. Ayan. So this is the environment. May kuryente, ayan, may water. So ayan, nagmotor tayo, kasya dito dalawang cars. Ayan, barangay road na yan dyan guys. Ayan, may mga katabi siyang mga houses. So perfect for retirement and affordable one. Ito yung corner lot guys. Ayan. So ito yung road. Ayan siya, corner lot. Tatanggalin po yan, lilinisin, gagawin parking lot, parking area. Tapos meron po yung bakod and gate. Ayan. So 150 square meter yan. Okay, ito yung road. If you don't want to buy the lot package, kasi ipapackage to 150 square meter, lalagyan ng bakod, gagawin parking area yan, may bakod yan dyan. But yan, 4 million po yan, free transfer of title. Ito po yung mga kapitbahay. Ayan, yun pa, meron ding house doon. Yan siya, ayan. So but if you don't want to get the house and lot package na may malaki pong garage, this is the house. Ayan, yan siya. So this one is 3 million, full turnover. Ayan, ito siya guys. Ito po yung house, 2.5 million naka-promo po this November. Ayan. But if you want to get the package, yan, tatanggalin po, ililinisin, babakudan, gagawin pong parking area. Ayan, if you want to get, that's for only 4 million package. Ayan. Pero ngayon po pinromo siya ni seller, 3.5 million package kasama yung 150 square meter lot doon. Libre na po yung bakod. Ayan. So this is the house. Ayan, dito yung garden area ng house. Ayan, meron pa yung lot sa likod. Ayan, makikita nyo for dirty kitchen. Ayan. Muulan lang ngayon guys. Ayan. May space pa siya dito sa likod. Alright, may drainage po yan. So this is the outside of the house. So the inside naman is this one. Okay, ayan, pasok po tayo. Ito po yung loob ng house. Ayan. So kuryente na rin to and water. Tapos yan, 2.5, kapromo yan, 3 million, down 2.5 this November. Ito yung living room. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Malaki, no? And then this is the first room. Ayan po siya. Actually maganda yung room, no? Ayan, umuulan lang ngayon. Ayan, naka-sliding windows. Yan, kapitbahay nyo. O yan, dito yung lot sa likod. Ayan siya. Alright. Okay. Tapos ito naman yung kitchen area. Ayan, naka-full finish yan. May mga ilaw na yan, no? LED. Ayan, this is the kitchen. Ayan siya. Tapos dito yung daan sa labas. Okay, ayan siya, kitchen. Ayan, meron pa kayo ditong exhaust lot for labahan, laundry, or pwede na dirty kitchen. It's up to you. Pero malamig dito kasi, no? Tingnan nyo yung mga hampas ng mga trees. Ayan. Ito naman yung for the ayan, bathroom. Ayan, may bowl na po yan, and may faucet. Tapos yan, mayroong shower, may ilaw, may bintana. Okay? Alright, naka-tiles na po yung lahat, no? Ayan. And then, ayan, malaki actually yung kitchen and yung living area. So, ang total lot area nitong house is 147 square meter. But if I were you, kunin nyo na rin yung lot doon. Kasi magiging package nyo lang. 4 million, naka-promo, 3.5 million. The house, tapos plus 150 square meter lot. Tapos babakuran pa namin yan. And lalagyan ng gate. If you will get it, that's for free. Tapos gagawa ng semento for parking. So, yeah. But it's up to you if you want to get that package, if you just want the house. So 3 million, naka-promo 2.5 million, free transfer of title na po yan. Okay? Alright, sara pala natin yung kitchen. Teka, sara natin to dahil maulan. Alright, yan. Okay? So ngayon, tapos na living room, dito naman tayo sa, yan, ito yung master's bedroom. Yan siya guys. Yan. Malapad, no? Actually. Tapos may access ka dyan, makikita mo yung parking area, garden. So ito siya guys. Ayan. Okay. So now, we are here. Ayan, may extra space pa dyan. Ito yung napakalaking CR. Tingnan nyo ha. Ayan o. Pwede ka matulog sa CR. Ayan, may faucet. Ayan, meron ding sink. Merong toilet, naka-ready na. Sliding. Tapos shower. Ayan, napakalaki actually. Ayan o. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. So ito naman yung sa... Ayan. Actually, pwede itong extra space. Pwede nyong, depende sa inyo kung ano gusto nyong gawin dyan. So, ayan yung lapad. Tignan nyo, di ba? Nakatiles yung lahat, no? Ayan, no? Di ba? Ganda actually ng bahay na to. Murang to, actually, no? Mura-mura. Para sa full finish na house. Ayan siya. Okay? Full finish house. Ayan. Okay? So, that is the house. Ayan. So, ayan yung ating tour for this property. Ayan, if you want to avail this one, andyan yung Viber WhatsApp ko. The promo po na to is just this November. Ayan. If you housing lot, naka-promo siya 3 million down to 4.5. If you got the lot and the housing lot package with the extra lot, na corner lot, papalinis namin yung lahat. Tapos, babakuran, lalagyan ng semento for parking. Tapos nalagyan dito ng access para may access kayo doon. So yeah, that's for only 4 million, naka-promo ng 3.5 million. So yun guys, if you want to avail this one, message nyo lang ako. Free transfer of title po yan. And yun, ita-turn over with electricity and water. So yun lang guys, if there's any questions, yan, message nyo lang ako. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you soon para sa inyong retirement lot for this one. And I will show you yung mga kapitbahay naman dito para makita nyo yung vibes na kung gaano siyang katahimik. No? Papakita ko sa inyo. Ikot-ikot tayo. Ito yung palabas. Yan, meron na rin dito. Yan, gripo for car wash. May drainage po yan lahat. Ayan siya, malamig yan. Ito naman, degulong to. Ayan o, di ba? Ayan siya. Oops. Yan. Oops, pasalbasin natin yung doggy. Wawa naman siya. Ayan. Okay. So, ito yung lot na 150 square meter if you want to get it. Ayan siya. Tatanggalin namin lahat ng kalat na yan. Corner lot. Ayan. So, yan. Ito kasi ginawa tong mga tao, yung mga nagtrabaho dyan, ginawa siyang barracks. So, yan, tatanggalin namin yung lahat. Babakuran to. Lalagyan ng gate. Gusto nyo sliding din, pwede. Yan, for only 4 million yan package. Naka-promo 3.5 million. So yeah, that's it. Alright, so ito yung mga vibes ng mga kapitbahay. Ayan, napakalamig, no? Ayan, no? Ayan yung mga house, yung mga nakatira dyan. Ito yung isang house naman. Ayan, no? Ayan, di ba? Good na good for retirement siya. Ayan. Okay. Ito pa yung ibang vibes. Pakita ko pa sa inyo. Ito naman yung isa. Parang ayan, maganda to. May swimming pool. Oh. Ayan. Alright. Ayan siya. Sa barangay, ano ito? Alfonso Esperanza, Alfonso, Cavite. So, malapit siya sa Paradiso, Mendez. Tsaka sa Breakfast at Antonio's. 5-10 meters above sea level, no flooding. So perfect na perfect for retirement, dream house, getaway. So yun lang guys, thanks for watching. I hope to see you next vlog. Ito Barangay Road lang ha. So yun, Barangay Road na yun. Pwede ka maglakad. Yun lang. Bye bye.